नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे। आई होप दैट यू ऑल आर फाइन। इन द लास्ट क्लास वी हैव स्टार्टेड लेसन 2 किताब की कहानी। जैसा कि हमने पिछली कक्षा में एक नए पाठ की शुरुआत की है जिसका नाम है किताब की कहानी। और इस कहानी में हमने देखा कि किस तरह किताब हमारे जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखता है। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। एज वी स्टार्टेड द लेसन 2 and in that lesson we have seen that how the book came in this form, right? Printing machine came, that is 1000 years before only, but before that also the book was there, but not in this form. The form was different. Old time, the people, they are using the tree barks, leaf, bhoj patra, leather, this all the things the people are using. Then later only the paper came, printing machine came, this all the things has changed. And old time sage, saints, this all the teachers, old time teachers, they are giving the knowledge to student through orally only, because the verses and dohe, this all the things easily we can remember. Or like that they are passing the knowledge to their students, and after that one generation to other generation the knowledge was just going on. In the same time those things they cannot remember, that things they have just draw the picture on the wall. Like that only they started using the bhoj patra, trees bark, and this all the things they are keeping safe. Okay, like this only 6000 years before Mesopotamia's history we come to know through the pictures only, because that time the people they are drawing the pictures and then they are keeping their knowledge, and what all things they want to save they are saving through the pictures only. Okay, till there we have completed. All of you take page number 16, the fourth paragraph. All of you see the fourth paragraph. Okay, संसार में लिपियों का आविष्कार पहले हुआ, कागज का बाद में। फिनलैंड के लोगों ने मौखिक शब्दों को लिखित अक्षरों का रूप देकर पहली क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला का आविष्कार किया। उन्होंने यह कारनामा ईसा से 1500 साल पहले कर लिया था। इन दिस वर्ल्ड द लेटर्स केम बिफोर and after that only the paper came. The Finland people only invention the letters in order. Okay, these things happen before Christ only. इसे सबसे पहले यूनानियों ने अपनाया। इसमें नए सुधार किए, अक्षरों के आकार को सरल बनाया, उनमें अधूरे स्वर वाले अक्षर भी जोड़े, पेड़ की छाल, पेड़ के पत्ते, चमड़े आदि पर लिखने का काम इसके बाद में हुआ। So Finland people, what they did, already alphabet was there, so that alphabet is not in order, so they made this one in order. After that Unanio means Greek. Okay, so Greek people, what they did, they adopted this thing, and they also make some changes in that alphabet, and after that alphabet size they have made easy to understand that one. And after that what they did, the vowel sounds, the half vowel sound, that also they have added with this alphabet. Then after that पेड़ की छाल, पेड़ के पत्ते, चमड़े आदि पर लिखने का काम इसके बाद में हुआ। After that only the trees bark, leaf and leather the people started using for writing. मिस्र और भूमध्य सागर प्रदेश में पानी के एक पौधे पेपिरस के पत्ते लिखने के काम में लाए गए। इजिप्ट एंड मेडिटेरेनियन सी, इन दैट प्लेस one leaf was there, that is papyrus. In that leaf they also started using for कई पत्तों को जोड़कर इसकी एक पट्टी बनाई जाती थी. So many leaf they will join and they will make a bandage only. Patti. Patti means one by one they will just join and they will make a bandage. फिर उस पट्टी को लकड़ी की डंडी पर लपेट दिया जाता था. After that what they will do? They will take that bandage and they will just wrap that one in a stick. शायद यही कारण है जो आज भी लिखने के काम में आने वाले कागज को पेपर कहा जाता है. Because of that only today what paper we are using, that paper we called as a paper. Next we'll see. ईस्वी सन 1 में एक अज्ञात रोमन ने इन रीलों को एक आकार में काटकर इन लिखित पत्रों का एक पुलिंदा बनाया. 101. Who is that person? Don't know. One Roman people only. He only just cut this reel because what they have just rolled and they have kept. So this thing what he did, he took that reel and just he cut. He cut and he make bundle as a bundle. पत्रों का एक पुलिंदा बनाया. पुलिंदा मीन्स बंडल. और इसे जोड़कर ही संसार की पहली पुस्तक का जन्म हुआ. So after joining these bundles, the world's first book made. भारत के प्राचीन इतिहास को भोजपत्र पर लिखा गया. कलम की जगह मोर पंख की डंडी काम में लाई गई. In the Indian history, okay, in Indian history, the people they started using the Bhojpatra, and instead of pen, they started the peacock feather. इसके बाद चमड़े पर लिखने की पद्धति उपयोग में लाई जाने लगी. After that only the people they started using the leather. How to write in the leather? That method came in after that only. भारत के प्राचीन इतिहास को भोजपत्र पर लिखा गया. Indians ancient history was written in the भोजपत्र. कलम की जगह मोर पंख की डंडी काम में लाई गई. Instead of pen, they are using the peacock feather. इसके बाद चमड़े पर लिखने की पद्धति उपयोग में लाई जाने लगी. They started using the leather and that method came after that. सन 105 में चीनियों ने किताब के लिए कागज का तोहफा दिया. उन्होंने कपड़ों के चिथड़ों, पेड़ की छालों, मछली पकड़ने के पुराने जालों को गलाकर लुगदी बनाई और उससे लेखन कार्य के लिए एक पदार्थ तैयार किया. इसी को बाद में कागज नाम दिया गया. So 105. That time Chinese people only, they only started making the paper and they only give us the gift. This paper what we are using, this paper is given by Chinese only. Okay, so how they are making? Just they are taking old cloth, कपड़ों के चिथड़ों मीन्स old cloth, पेड़ की छालों trees bark, मछली पकड़ने के पुराने जालों को गलाकर. So old fish net was there. In that all the things they will melt and after that they make the pulp, lugdi, they make the pulp. After that only, from there only they made the paper also and they made the ink also for the writing work. आज भी कागज लकड़ी की लुगदी से तैयार होता है. So today also the wood pulp that only we are using for making the paper. लगभग 6 शताब्दियों तक यह आविष्कार पूर्व के इसी क्षेत्र में छुपा रहा. Approx 6th century things means how to make the paper. This was kept in the east country only because they have not disclosed these things. They only know how to make the paper. 6th century it was secret only. एक बार अरब घुमक्कड़ों ने कागज बनाने वाले कुछ कारीगरों को पकड़ लिया. तब बाहरी संसार के सामने कागज का रहस्य खुला. So one time what happened? Arab scholar, घुमक्कड़ों means scholar, Arabian scholar, they have just catch the Chinese artist, those who are making the paper, and after that only they have disclosed how to make the paper, how their invention the paper. These things came in the world. किताब की जिंदगी में सन 1439 में अगला मोड़ आया. The next turn in the book's life, the next turn came 1439. जोहान गटबर्ग नाम के एक जर्मन नागरिक ने धातु से बने अक्षरों के टाइप का आविष्कार किया. So one German people, his name is Johann Gutenberg, and he only make the metals typewriter. Okay, he only invention the typewriter, first typewriter, metal typewriter. इस पद्धति से छपाई बहुत धीरे हो पाती थी. For this method, the printing was very slow. गटबर्ग को बाइबल की 190 प्रतियां छापने में 3 साल का समय लगा. जोहान गटबर्ग, he made the typewriter. From that typewriter, the printing was very slow. So that Johann Gutenberg, he want to take the print, Bible's 190 copy he want to take. But what happened? The time was taken 3 years. Just you think that how slow the printing or typing machine. पर इस आविष्कार का एक लाभ भी हुआ. So one benefit also got. What is that? We'll see that. किताबों की कीमतें 1/4 से कम हो गई. तब आम लोगों में भी पढ़ने लिखने का चाव पैदा हुआ. देखते देखते यूरोप के सभी देश पुस्तक छापने लगे. One benefit also happened. The normal people, or they started reading the books, and books price also came down. आज तो टाइप कंपोजिंग का काम हाथ के बजाय मशीनों से होने लगा है. So today the type composing machine is there. So people are not using the hand, they are using the machine only. यह जो किताब तुम्हारे हाथ में है, यह भी टाइप कंपोजिंग की पद्धति से तैयार किया गया है. दिस बुक व्हाट इन आवर हैंड, दैट आल्सो इज मेड बाय टाइप कंपोजिंग मेथड ओनली. टाइप कंपोजिंग की ये मशीनें टाइपराइटर की तरह काम करती है. द टाइप कंपोजिंग दैट मशीन इज देयर, इट इज वर्क लाइक अ टाइपराइटर ओनली. आज तो लेटर प्रेस प्रिंटिंग, लिथोग्राफिक प्रिंटिंग, गेरवे प्रिंटिंग, ऑफसेट प्रिंटिंग के अलावा फोटो कंपोजिंग मशीनें कंप्यूटर द्वारा चलाई जाने लगी है. सो दिस ऑल द प्रिंटिंग, दिस ऑल द थिंग्स वी आर यूजिंग बाय कंप्यूटर ओनली. ऑल द पीपल दोज हु आर डूइंग द प्रिंटिंग, दे आर यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर. कुल मिलाकर पहले क्रमबद्ध वर्णमाला, फिर कागज का आविष्कार और फिर प्रिंटिंग प्रेस की मशीनों के आविष्कार ने पुस्तक छपाई के काम में एक अद्भुत क्रांति ला दी. So all total, when you will see that what all things happen in book's life, the letter was there but it is not in the order. So this all the things happen. The people are using their knowledge orally, they are passing their knowledge to others. So like that, one generation to other generation, the knowledge was just passing and just going on. People, they started using the trees, bark, leaf, leathers. This all the things they started using. Then after that only, what happened? They made the letters in order. So after that, what happened? The Chinese people, they have made the paper, and after that, typewriting or typewriter came. So like that, in the book's life, so many revelation happen. Kranti, adbhut kranti, very unique revelation happen in books life. आज संसार में हर वर्ष लगभग 10 लाख किताबें छपकर प्रकाशित हो जाती है. Today at present in the world, every year 10 lakhs, more than that, the book will publish. सभी तरह की, सभी विषयों की, all the types and all the subjects. पिछले कुछ दशकों से तो भारत में भी हजारों किताबें कागज पर नहीं, इंटरनेट के माध्यम से केवल कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर ही छपी दिखाई देने लगी है. Last few years in India also thousands books published, not in this form, that is in the computer screen only, through the internet, through the computer only, the books was published. So just you see that through the book only we come to know about books history, how the people they are using the books and how the people made the paper, who invented the typewriter, who invented the paper, and how the old time the people they are saving their knowledge. This all the things come to know through the book only. Yes. So I hope that what I have taken today you people have understood. Okay, so last week I gave one homework. What homework? I told you to read the lesson and underline the meaning which you don't know. You have to read the whole lesson and after that underline the words which you don't know. And we will discuss that one in the live class. The Hindi meaning already it is given there in your textbook, that is page number 18. Hindi to Hindi and English also is there. So, you people have to study that one from the textbook itself. And English meaning we will discuss in the live class. Okay children? So, I hope that what I have taken today you people have understood. So, in the next class we will see the rest of the exercise. Till then you people have to read and you have to practice all the meanings, Hindi to Hindi meanings you have to write and study. I hope you people have understood and you people will do your homework. We will meet in the next class. Thank you children.